Welcome to your off-roading paradise in Elko County. This 2.18-acre lot on Pear Street and Acacia Drive, Montello, Nevada 89830, is ready for adventure climbing, hiking, mountaineering, and off-grid living your way. At just $7,197, this land is yours with easy financing $147 per month for 48 months, with only $150 down. No credit check required, no HOA to worrying about. Zoned residential with dirt road access, this property offers unmatched freedom near the scenic Crittenden Reservoir. Whether you're looking for a weekend getaway or a permanent escape, this lot has endless possibilities. Call or text 386-515-63 today or visit landnoworlater.com to make this property yours.